Alright, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, everyone. So, as always, I'm getting gas. I feel like all my videos I have to get gas at least 2 or 3 times a day. But nonetheless, we are filled up. The bike is absolutely filthy. I really should clean it. So, today's video, I have no idea where I'm going. With everything being closed, there's really... You just gotta find spots now. Parks are closed, which I'll get into a little more details because I do have a theory on that. So we're just kind of gonna ride around, and I apologize. It's probably gonna be a lot of highway riding. Let me just squeeze in here. All right. Reset my trippy trip. It is absolutely beautiful today. I think the temps are about 85 degrees. Oh, it just feels so good not to have to wear a hoodie and all this other cold weather gear. And I legit had an insect in my visor. Don't ask me how. I don't know what the hell is going on, but I'm getting hit with like sand. I can feel it hit my neck. Oh man, what a view. The good old ponder and pooper. Your boy got hops over here. Put a little air right there. Well, unfortunately, I really can't tell you exactly where I'm going because I have no idea where I'm going. Shout out to all you EMTs and nurse cares. During these times, the world needs more people like you. Oh, fuck. Something just hit me. You know what? I think I do have an idea of where I'm gonna go. I've been a random road that I keep passing, and I always want to see what's down it. You know, if you're not going faster than everyone else in this lane, you should not be in this lane. Just pointed that out. Man, I think it's really nice. That is one supercar that I wouldn't mind having. Nice Porsche. We're gonna go right first. So again, I sound like a broken record, but I have no idea where I'm going. We're just out for a nice little ride today, boys and girls. Can't forget my ladies. Yeah, I think I know where I'm going. Son of a bitch. You know what I noticed lately? There's an odd abundance of cops out. Is that just because they're bored? I need to know. I need to know why they're out in force, handing out speeding tickets and all these other tickets. Or are they just out just to stop like crazy people, like from parties and stuff like that? I don't know. It's kind of weird. But it sucks is because you're like constantly looking over your shoulder when you're on the highways and stuff like that. Oh, there's a stop sign there though. This looks oddly familiar. Oh yeah, no, we're not going down this road. This is not where I'm supposed to be. We'll just say that. I kind of know where I am right now, which doesn't really matter because I'd still end up lost. You know what boggles my mind? That for some odd reason, you see crowds of people at grocery stores and all these shopping centers and stuff like that. And then they want to go ahead and close down state parks. I'm sorry, but if I'm at a state park, I'm not near anyone. It's open. There's so much space. And it just, I don't know. It just, the whole thing just, it boggles my mind. I wonder. It is really nice out here right now. It's crazy, you guys can't see, but across the way you see all the roads, like the really sloped, high sloped roads. Yeah, this absolutely sucks. But to kind of get content, you have nothing. There's nothing open right now. And I understand, I mean, yeah, you want to kind of limit as much human contact as possible, but I don't know, guys. I'm trying over here, I really am. Well, I guess the good that can come out of it is I'm exploring to places where I know no use in coming back here. Excuse me, people. Oh God, there's like a God. This on-ramp sucks. Hopefully there wasn't a cop behind me. Oh well. Oh, thankfully I was not actually going super fast. He for sure heard me. No doubt he heard me. And see, what was I just talking about? They are patrolling these streets. You know, it's also I just thought about it. These tires I have on right now. Oh, they're absolute trash. Shout out to you guys. You don't look like you're struggling. It means you're not going hard enough. Another downside is I need to replace my rear brakes. They are toast. But if you see me going slow, you know why. Tires and rear brake. Ah, you look like you're struggling. That's more like it. It's like I can't win. Even during the pandemic, I can't win with all the cars. Oh, can't deny that view. Oh my God, how did I f***ing hit neutral? Till we get down to fucking slow speed. Enjoy watching you guys struggle. Oh, that brings so much joy to my life. That was my mistake. Oh man, I'm just not planned for this. You guys are probably sitting here, you know what? Next video, see if I can make a turn with no hands. I can. Yeah, turn. Sort of. This really sucks, man. Blows big fat ass rhinoceros dick. What do I make videos on now? What like exactly what? Like, do I just keep going to the same exact spot over and 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 over again? Thanks, sir. What's up? Yeah. I think he said R1. Man, I feel like I was just here yesterday. Because you were, Marty. You were. It's crazy, isn't it? I wasn't looking. See how long I could go without crashing. Oh, we're getting close to crashing. I'm trying. I'm trying. I tried. Yeah. Oh. Oh. Come here, bird. Come here. Yeah, you better run. Like a boulder just hit me. Oh God. Ah. Well, if you guys made it this far, I want to thank you guys for watching all the way through this absolutely dreadful video. So with that, I'm going to go ahead and conclude today's video. If you guys liked it, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. If you guys thought it was absolutely boring and I should just shut my mouth, go ahead and give it a big old fat thumbs down. If you guys are new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe and check out some of my older videos as well. Make sure you guys hit that notification bell so you guys are aware when I upload a new video. Hope each and every one of you still stay safe during this whole outbreak and pandemic. I need all of you guys to stay hungry, stay humble, stay motivated, all of your life goals. Always remember, success is not an overnight thing. You guys gotta work your ass off and continue to work your ass off. Make sure you guys continue to stockpile your toilet paper. Your boy Machine here, and I will see you guys on the next one. Later. What the hell was that person doing on the side of the highway?
I swear to God, man, I'ma make it soon. Silence all the haters as they see us making moves. I do what I want, so I got nothing to prove. Staying motivated, teaching others what to do. I'm staying focused, my mind is open. They start to notice that I'm in motion. There is no potion.